This is another episode of the Nutrition Club. It's provided by Community Health Programs. My name is Hannah Patterson, and welcome to my brain dump station. So this week I wanted to talk to you guys about the basic components of a salad, so that way you guys can kind of create your own recipes by this knowledge, this education I'm going to give you of the basic components as to what you should be putting in your salad and how you should be creating a healthy salad, because it's very easy to get carried away and add way too many calories to a salad. You'd be surprised. So lately, our members, you Nutrition Club members, have been getting a whole bunch of salad awesome veggie food bags, and also your chicken and eggs. So I wanted to show you how to use some of those ingredients to create some recipes. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you do like it, look at the link below. There is the full recipe. Also, for those of you who are not members, you can call and or email the information below and see if you qualify to become a nutrition member or Nutrition Club member.
For fennel and other things like celery, I like to remove the first few layers when I go to wash it, because a lot of dirt can really get stuck in there. For those of you who have a salad just about every day, I suggest getting a salad spinner. It's really great at making your salad nice and dry within a very small amount of time. People like to roast their beets, but because it's so time consuming, I decided I'm just going to cut up some raw beets, and this way it's actually going to give a nice crunch to my salad. food processor. But if you don't have one, you can use a blender, or you could just cut up your blueberries into small pieces, mash them, and then whisk everything else together. The foundation is the base ingredient of a salad, which is usually made up of a mix of greens. It could also be made up of things like pasta or potatoes. The body is the main ingredient that gives the salad its name and flavor profile. In this case, we have beets, almonds, and goat cheese. The garnish is the ingredients that contributes to the salad's visual appeal and flavor. For this salad, we have chickpeas, cucumbers, fennel, and hard-boiled egg. The dressing is the sauce that complements the salad's flavor. Here we have a blueberry balsamic vinaigrette.
Now you guys know all the basic components of a salad, and you can create your own salads, your own recipes. And also you have a new recipe from this video, and you can get that link below and print that out, or you can find it in next week's food bag. And also I wanted to let you guys know that we're going to be doing some Zoom videos, Zoom meetings, where we can do Q&A, questions and answers. That way, if you guys have any kind of questions about these recipes or even just the food bag themselves, I'll be able to answer those for you. And I'm going to email all of that information to all of you guys. And also, we have a new Instagram page, so that way you can get little alerts and see what we're up to and how we're putting together your food bags even before you come to pick them up. That way you guys can get a little sneak peek and know what's in your bags. And also, if you have any questions about this, for right now, you can comment below. Make sure you like our YouTube video, this YouTube video. And if you haven't subscribed already, definitely subscribe. And also, those of you who are not a part of the Nutrition Club, contact the info below and see if you qualify for free weekly food bags, as well as some recipes and more videos. All right, thank you so much. Have a good one.